Good morning viewers, back again with me Rafila Khairunnisa in the Saturday edition of Seputar Berita, 9 November 2024, to describe the most up-to-date and trust news, which we summarize in Seputar Berita this morning. Strong wind accompanied by heavy rain caused trees to fall, hitting 8 residents' houses in Kurnia Bakti Village, Ciawi District, Tasikmalaya Regency. Luckily, this incident didn't result in any fatalities. Only one resident suffered a laceration to the head due to falling tree branches. Until now, the residents' houses have been damaged and they have temporarily taken resources in their relatives' homes. As a result of the natural disaster, losses are estimated in hundreds of millions. Tenaga BPD TNI and police help the community clean up fallen tree materials using machines and manual tools until late at night. That's all the news we can convey for today. I'm Rafila Khairunnisa, host of the Seputar Berita this morning. Take my leave and see you at the same time tomorrow.